Today we will be changing fractions into decimals. Let's say we have 1/8 and we want to change that into a decimal. The first thing we will have to do to change from a fraction to a decimal is divide the top number by the bottom number. So 1/8 can also be read as 1 divided by 8, or we could write that as 1 divided by 8. To do this, we will have to add a decimal point and a 0 after the 1 before we can divide. You also have to bring your decimal point up top. So now all we need to do is do our long division. So first we'll ignore our decimal point and we'll say how many times will 8 go into 10? Well, 8 goes into 10 one time. And then 1 times 8 is 8. Then we subtract and get 2. Now we will keep going and adding zeros and bringing them down until we don't get a remainder. So we'll bring down a 0. Now how many times will 8 go into 20? Well, it will go 2 times, and 2 times 8 is 16. So then we subtract, we get 4. We still have a remainder, so we're going to keep adding a 0. Now we have 40, so how many times will 8 go into 40? Well, it will go 5 times evenly, and 5 times 8 is 40. And this time we get a remainder of 0, so that tells us we are finished. And now we see that 1/8 is equal to 0.125 as a decimal.